Hello! Thought I'd start the video with a focus in on today's oil. Welcome to day 5 of the essential oil experience as we talk about lemon. Lemon is already in 2 of the blends that you received when you purchased this little setup. When you purchased your little baggie full of the 3 oils or the 3 rollerball blends, 2 of them actually contain the oil lemon. The Energy blend has it, as does the Breathe blend. Well, why? Because it's excellent for energy and it's also excellent for your respiratory system. Lemon is a very uplifting and just focusing oil. It helps you be centered. It helps give you energy in and of itself, and it also helps clear the mind, help you reduce some of that mental clutter. It's a great one to diffuse if you have kids and they're doing homework, or if you're doing some work, because it's just really uplifting. Another way to use it, though, is in your respiratory system to help you breathe better, especially if you're at all congested. That's why it's in the Breathe blend. Lemon is a fantastic oil for breaking up some of the mucus in the lungs and in the sinuses. So the Breathe blend that you received has oils like lavender that help calm those sinuses down, peppermint that really opens up that respiratory system, and lemon, which helps dissolve some of the gunk. In fact, lemon does that even with things that aren't part of our bodies. Lemon is one of the best Goo Gone type products you'll ever use. You put a little of this on a sticker or anything sticky and it'll dissolve it right up. You do have to be careful with lemon, though, because lemon can really harm plastic. So don't do that on a plastic item. Use it on glass things or metal or even wood, but not on plastic. Lemon will eat it right up. That's good for us to know, because a lot of the food products we get are stored in and wrapped in plastic. And anything can break down plastic, even water. So what happens is plastic will slowly leach into those things and you ingest it. We all ingest it. Our bodies are really good at filtering things out, but some of that sludge remains. And that's where lemon is also fabulous. People like to drink it in water to help cleanse you, to cleanse the digestive, lymphatic system, the kidneys, the liver. It's awesome for that. That probably sounds kind of familiar to you. You may already cut up lemons and put them in water to keep your kidneys supported, maybe guard against kidney stones. That's good, except for one thing. The fruit of the lemon has a high pH, or I think it's low. I sometimes mix that up. The pH level in it is harmful for our teeth. High acid, low pH. I'm almost positive of that. If not, you can correct me. But the problem when you have a high acid content is that it can eat away at the enamel on your teeth. Perhaps your dentist may have noticed that, and perhaps your dentist has told you maybe you should lay off some of the things with lemon in it, such as some of the sports drinks out there. Well, that's where this is amazing. When you put 1 drop of lemon in a glass of water, it's like taking a whole lemon and cutting it up. That's how many health benefits you're going to get out of this. However, since this oil is cold pressed from the rind of the fruit instead of from the actual fleshy fruit part, you are not getting any of the acid. So that is awesome. It's a total win-win. It's better for you than cut up lemon, and it's also better for your teeth. As you can tell, this oil does come in the Vitality labeling, which means it's safe for ingestion. Young Living does also sell this in the solid labeling. Remember, same oil, different labeling, labeled for topical and aromatic use, labeled for internal use. It's really cool, though, that it's labeled for all 3. Some of the ways you might want to use it topically and aromatically, it can really help with your skin, believe it or not. It has some nice cell regenerative properties. The thing with lemon oil, and actually a lot of essential oils, but especially lemon and peppermint, by the way, is you want to do what's called diluting it. Diluting is never with water, but it's always with a fatty liquid carrier oil. And a great example would be olive oil. Olive oil is a food fatty oil. So people will often apply an essential oil and they'll put a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil over it. The reason they do that is sometimes this is a little bit much for the skin when you use it straight. So you can put it on, but maybe an hour or so later you might notice that your skin's a little irritated. It won't hurt or anything, but your skin might be a little sensitive to it. Lemon is one that people do want to dilute, and remember, never with water, but with the carrier oil. If you put on an essential oil and you already notice on your skin that you don't really like it, it may be already too tingly or just too much for your skin, it's okay. Your skin's not going to fall off. Your body is still going to happily accept that essential oil, but it might be a little overwhelming. If that happens with any essential oil, that's what you do. You never ever wash it off with water, but you put on one of those fatty oils to either help it calm down a little bit, or you can put that fatty oil on there and take a Kleenex or something and remove the essential oil that way. So a little tip for you there, a few tips for lemon. So good for your kidneys, lymphatic system, your energy, your mood. Put it in anything, you guys, that you like lemon in. And but when you do that, go low and slow, super strong. So a little tiny bit will go a long way. That's it for this one, and we'll catch you tomorrow with another essential oil.